importing modules. In Python, the Python is very much famous and it is popular only because it is having most of modules which can be imported to it, and we can have that for execution of the program. All Python programs can call a basic set of functions called built-in functions, including print, input, length function. Okay, these functions are built-in functions. Python also comes with a set of modules called standard library. Each module is a Python program that contains a related group of functions that can be embedded in your program. Okay, so these uh, modules will be called as a standard library. So this can be imported to program so that your program can run its task successfully. For example, the math module has mathematics related functions. The random module has a random number related functions and so on. Okay, so there are like several modules we have it. We can import into our program so that we can perform our functions exactly however we need it. Before we can use the functions in a module, we must import the module with an import statement. That means we have to use a keyword called import. It consists of the keyword import, the name of the module, okay, and more module names as long as they are separated by commas. Okay, if you are importing a more than one module, you have to separate it by comma. Okay, you can see an example here. Import random for I in range of 5. Print random dot randint 1 comma 10. So here you can observe import random means you are importing a module name called random to your program. Okay, so you are using a import keyword. Then for I in range of 5, that means you are taking initialization value of 5. So then till 5 it is reaching, we are going to execute this statement. And you can see here we have indentation. Then print random dot randint. So this randint is a function which is present inside the random module. So that is why we are using random dot randint. We are generating some random integer numbers. Start from 1 comma, okay, up to 10. It should start from 1 and up to 10. Okay, so here you can see 418141. Okay, that means you are generating some random numbers. It should start from 1 and it should be below 10. Okay, this is what your randint function will do. Generate some random integers between 1 to 10. Okay, see, that is what the randint function call evaluates your random integer value between two integer that you pass it. Randint is it is in the random module. So first we have to type the random dot in front of that function. You can call your function name. It is an example of importing more than 4 different modules. See, import random comma sys comma os comma math. So all these 4 modules you can import into your program simultaneously with separated by comma. From import statement. So here an alternative form of an import statement is composed of from keyword followed by a module name, the import keyword and a star. You can see the example from keyword random import. So here we are using a keyword called from and your name of the what is that module is random and import keyword with a star. That means asterisk. With this form of import statement, cost of functions in a random will not need to the random prefix. That means in the previous example we have seen whenever we call the randint function, before that you have to specify which module it belongs. Random dot you have to specify it. But here, if we use this syntax from random import asterisk symbol, if we use that syntax for importing a module, no need to include the every time the module name in front of the function. Directly you can call the function, you can execute. That is the advantage of this syntax. Okay, ending a program early with the sys.exit. So the last flow control concept is how to terminate the program. This always happens if the program execution reaches the bottom of the instruction. However, we can cause a program to terminate or exit by calling the sys.exit function. So here exit is a function which has been included inside the module called sys. So whenever we call this exit, you have to import the sys module. Since this function is in the sys module, we have to import the sys module. So you can see that. See, this is just to end of your program. As we know, like if we reach the last statement of the program will get its end. But when I wanted to, exit from the from the program before reaching to end of line, so you have to use exit function. This exit function will be present inside the sys module, so you have to include a sys module into your program. So import sys while true, print type to exit. That is one statement they're going to print it. Response is equals to input. That means you're taking the input from the keyboard. It will be get stored in the response. If response is equals to exit, that means whatever the response you have given is a string called exit. Then if it is equal, you're going to get exit from this program. Or else print you typed, okay, plus response. That means whatever you typed, that a word will be get displayed. That's all. Okay, so if it is you have typed exit, means it is making this condition to be checked, so then it will get exit from the program. Or else it is going to display that you typed what you typed in the response, what you saved, so that will be get displayed. Okay, so this will be complete with your chapter 2. So in the next session we just see with the chapter 3 under Python programming. Thank you.